It is 8:18 a.m. in the Philippines today on a Tuesday morning, and we just want to send out a few shout outs to you guys who have sent us lovely comments on YouTube on Rowana Hamir channel as well as on the DIYmoon Shop channel. So we'll go on ahead and read some of your comments. A lot of them were for Zuli's birthday. I can't seem to look for the tab. Okay, there it is. So a lot of it was from Zuli's birthday. Huh? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we've got, let's see, I'm just not going to do this in order. I'm just going to read as I have them on the computer. Rhonda Helfand says, problem becomes the cover does not stay in the area with beads on it, so doing first becomes a problem. This is with regards to the Genesis special treatment with gems. So she's worried that the plastic cover won't stay in place. And the solution to that, Rhonda, would be the cover minders. So if you've got several cover minders, you can actually use them to keep your plastic cover in place. Even if you're not working on a particular section and you've got certain beads on there already, that shouldn't be a problem if you've got the cover minders that is magnetized so that you have the plastic cover stuck on the canvas without worrying about the stickiness drying up. So don't worry about that, just use cover minders. And then we've got Kix Lab who says happy birthday Zuli. Anna Edang also says happy birthday Fairy Zuli. Thank you, Rowana, Rocket, and Zuli for the shout out. You're most welcome, Anna. And Diamond in the Rough says happy birthday, Zuli. A lot of them said happy birthday. Also, Wendy Barrett sends her birthday greetings. Gretchen Clausen and Michelle Mills. She says, Zuli, hope you have a magical day. Did you have a magical day on your birthday?
Yeah.
She had a marshmallow magical birthday, complete with matching cake. Nancy Jeffrey also says happy birthday. Connie Roundtree says happy birthday, Zuli. Have a fun day. More birthday wishes from Ellen Taylor from Pennsylvania. She says your family is delightful. Thank you so much, Ellen. And we've got more birthday greetings from Math Guru, as well as Diane Jackson, Mrs. Tailored May 12, who says, Zuli, so cute. Thank you so much. Yolanda Killen also sends her birthday wishes, and she hopes, I hope you have a fun-filled day. She's growing up so fast. Thanks, Yolanda. Yes, she is. Also, we've got Panda Britful, who says, this canvas is stunning, adding to my wish list. So this is, once again, with Tanya Shatsiva's Genesis diamond painting, where I showed how to connect the special treatments with the gems. Geminin Jess Diamond Crafter says, I see mine. I just completed the English Channel Challenge as my first one. Now onto the Inca one. This is from Odd Vids. Coincidentally, Rocket just received his medal for Inca. And this was a challenge that he did for the Conqueror Challenges, my virtual mission, about 2 months ago, right? And he completed it, I think, in just like a month. So we'll do an unboxing of that in just a bit. He's very excited for that. We've also got Christy Rowe, who says, so electric or iridescent like Carnival Depression glass. Sweet, I'll have to save up for this. Awesome. Casey Cheney says, beautiful painting. I wish I could afford to get version 3 right now, but I'm going to save up. I definitely need this piece. And this is in response to the Amazon River Children by Claudia Tremblay special treatment. Anna Edang says, hi cuties, Rocket and Zuli. What do you guys say to Anna?
Thank you. Thank you.
Deborah Nadell says, yes, you made my day. Thank you so much. I can't wait to get this in my hands. So this is in response to the volume 27 of our digest. Shani Nestingen says, super excited to see this, and a special treatment for both is amazing. Looking forward on working on these. Panda Britful says, if you're already doing February cabochon orders, I know mine can't be too far away. I think the closest I've ever come to being this excited was when I was waiting to go into labor. I don't know about feeling excited about going into labor. I mean, I did it twice and I was more a bit scared than excited. Excited to see the baby, yes, but not for the pain. And even then, this is a close second. So glad we brought some excitement in your life, Panda Britful. Also, we've got Rolanda Lynch who says, I can't wait. Gotta rush though. The one I'm working on now. This is next. We've got Emeralds and Fairy Lights who says, so excited. Can't wait to get mine. I think Zuli's getting bored sitting here. Let's see. Allura says, I keep watching these and the roll calls in hopes of seeing my order. You should see it pretty soon. Cynthia Buchek says, I cannot wait for my first Diamond Shop canvas. Thanks for offering such beautiful designs. You are most welcome, Cynthia. Valerie Dunham, Handmade with Heart, says, this is gorgeous. It's going on my wish list, definitely. Something like this would be perfect for the fandom event coming up. I love the episode where Doctor Who meets Vincent van Gogh. This is one beautiful painting. I love the Star Trek one also. I gotta catch up on Doctor Who, actually. Delma Fahi says, I can't wait to get my order. Thank you. And then Mickey Mendiola says, yay! Cynthia Bujek says, beautiful. And then Gemini and Jess, Diamond Crafter, this video just made me decide I'm buying this painting. I think Zuli wants to perform for you guys. Do you want to sing for them? Twinkle, Twinkle, or ABC?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, Mom will just read more comments and then you guys can play a little bit. Okay? Marsha Mulling says, very beautiful, thank you. Crafting with and Coffee with Sandy says, I love it, I can't wait. Awesome. Diamond in the Rough says, excited to see these packed as fast. And then Diamond Painting with Bestie says, definitely would like special treatment on my order. This is for her Sea Witch by Anna Diffman. We've got those gems in some of the new designs that we released for Fab February, including the Queen Wore Red by Leilani Joy, which has also hearts and big pearl gems. Diamond Painting with Bestie says, I ordered this as well and I want all the special treatments for this. Awesome. Tiny Worlds of Wonder says, ooh la la, what is it about Medusa's work? She loves Medusa's work, and this is in response to the Dracula by Medusa the Doll Maker special treatment in squares. Emeralds and Fairy Light says, ooh, I ordered this in January and I cannot wait. So this is for the Queen Wore Red. We are also excited to see you guys complete that painting. So make sure that you share your finished work or even your work in progress and tag us DIYmoon Shop. That is going to be at Shop DIYmoon on Instagram. Geraldine Walker says, thank you, I'm finally almost finished with Wendy for my sister. Elizabeth Ratner, thank you so much, cannot wait to receive it. Gemini Jess, Diamond Crafter says, thank you so much, the painting is stunning, I seriously cannot wait to start. Rolanda Lynch, in processing, yay! And then we've got also Gemini Jess, who cannot wait for her order. Antoinette Miseli Bonilia says, beautiful fabric choices for our new masks that we released this year. And then Diamond Painting with Bestie says, I saw my name, so excited. Jana Laurel says, oh, so excited, my heart leaped for joy. Kate Templeton says, oh my gosh, I can't wait to get all of my treasures. If I could, I would get one of each. Kim Everson says, happy birthday, sweet Zuli bee. Thank you so much for my bee surprise. What do you say to Kim? Say, you're welcome.
Welcome.
Look here at the camera. Say, you're welcome.
Welcome.
Therese Elaine says, happiest of birthdays, Zuli bee. I hope she has a magical day. Mercall Core says, it looks amazing. I cannot wait to get it. Crafting with Mrs. Crochet and Coffee says, I love that black mask. Mrs. Bunny says, oh wow, it's going to be awesome to work with that magic beadboard. Game changer, cannot wait. Casey says, aw, so sweet, happy birthday, Zuli. And there you go. Thank you so much for all your comments, guys. We're gonna try to do another video for the next batch of comments. So we do appreciate all of your feedback, your comments. If you have inquiries, questions, and whatnot, all you have to do is send us a message on our email, or you can just simply type it down in the comment section below, and we'll make sure we try to respond to your query or question and make a video of that. Also, somebody, or actually a few people, were asking how the bead boards work. So if you're not familiar with how to use our DIYmoon shop bead boards, we've actually just filmed Rocket and Zuli kind of explaining what it is for and how to use it and how to set it up with your beads. So we'll have that posted on YouTube very, very soon. In the meantime, you guys want to play a little bit of a song? All right.
1, 2. A, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next I won't you sing with me.
Yay! Thank you for that song.
Welcome. Welcome. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and hit that red subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss a video. Bye. Twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Say bye.
Bye.